In this video, I will show you how to import your Telegram wallet into Tonkeeper. Now to do this, first you need to open up Telegram wallet. Then in Telegram wallet, in the top left, go and click on settings. And in your settings at the top, you have ton space. So you just want to go and enable that. So when you haven't enabled it yet, it will just be a toggle on or off. So go ahead and toggle it on and then go and click on back in the top left. After doing that, right here, you will see ton space, so go and click ton space right above dollars, and then there are a few steps you need to take, so you need to back it up, so you could do that through email or manually, and after you have created the ton space, what you can then do is go back to your settings and now go and click on ton space, and then here you have your recovery phrase, so just go and click on tap to view, and then here at the bottom, click on copy recovery phrase. Then go and open up the Tonkeeper app, and at the top where it says wallet 1 for me right now, just going to click on whatever it says for you and click on add wallet. And from here select the second option, which is to add an existing wallet. And now here you need to paste in the phrase you just copied, so go and click on paste. And after doing that, go and click on continue and enter your passcode. Then go and give it a name, so I'll name this one Telegram and click continue. And now I have imported it, and now I have my Telegram wallet also here in Tonkeeper. Now within your Telegram wallet, you can see this is your ton space, so you can really easily just transfer crypto from your Telegram wallet into your ton space if that doesn't happen automatically. So that's how to import your Telegram wallet to Tonkeeper. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.